The 3M Spectacle Kit FF400-20 consists of a frame assembly and a rail assembly. The frame assembly attaches to the rail assembly and is the holder for the corrective lenses. The rail assembly supports the frame assembly in the facepiece and allows for up and down, in and out positioning of the frame assembly. To install the FF400-20 Spectacle Kit, remove the nose cup from the respirator. Install the rail assembly onto the nose cup. Install the frame assembly onto the rail assembly by inserting pins into holes in the rubber slide as shown. Hold the nose cup on the user's face and adjust the position of the frame. Spectacles can now be moved up, down, in, or out to obtain optimal fit and vision. The rubber slide can be removed from the rail assembly and reversed for additional in and out movement of the frame assembly. Install the nose cup and spectacle kit onto the respirator. The top of the rail assembly should be positioned inside the face seal and centered on the lens. Understanding how to properly and safely use, maintain, and secure your respirator is of utmost importance. Don't forget that user instructions are included with the respirator. And remember to always ask your supervisor if you have any questions regarding respiratory protection.